Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Shruti Chaudhary and this is my YouTube channel. I know बहुत टाइम से मैंने कोई भी वीडियो नहीं बनाया है. It is because I was very busy with my job and YouTube is my thing, but job is something that I have to do for someone else, and it is like my I have to prioritize job first and then my things. So I was very busy even on the weekends and बस I couldn't manage. I was like नहीं और नहीं. So I just took a break and then so I just thought to rest and I had a target जो मैंने कर लिया उसके बाद now I can manage things साथ साथ. That's it. So today's topic is winter skincare. Okay, so this is a very important topic that I have come up with. So winter skincare is very important these days. What happens in winters, our skin gets dry. Sorry, मुझे लगा रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा है, so I was just checking. Okay, so winters में our skin gets dry and two things guys, it is honey and aloe vera or even coffee. So आप ये जो भी आप फेस पैक लगा रहे हो उसमें ये सब ज़रूर डालना है. If you are putting this one ना honey in whatever or aloe vera gel in whatever face pack you are using, it's going to make your skin very very soft and good. So basically मेरी skin पूरी ख़राब हो चुकी है, I know, and मुझे पिंपल भी हो रहा है. It's okay. So everything has a solution and I was very busy in job की. Now I totally understand that why job people they don't get time to do skincare and stuff. So I've come up with this face pack जो I use in winters and इस face pack से आपकी स्किन जो है वो फिर से पहले के जैसी it's going to be like earlier, and with time to time you have to put such face packs so that you can maintain your skin. So if you are 30 plus, you can use vitamin C serum, face serum, which is very good. But for people like me who are still in between near to 30 but 27 like such, so you can't use face serum but you have to use some face packs. So I am going to show you this one. So this is what do we say, besan. This is gram flour. Okay, so what I will do in this, I have to add coffee. So coffee is winters है तो you can't live without coffee, and coffee is very good for skin as well. So coffee is a very good skin lightening product and it's very helpful in winters. So this is coffee. So I will just show you. So whatever face pack you are using, just make sure it is not cold while you are applying on your face, because you will get cold. You can even on the gas you can just heat up for a few minutes, or in oven you can heat it up for 2 minutes. So I have mixed this coffee in this one. Now this is, what do we say, multani mitti. This is my favorite thing, and गर्मियों में तो I just love multani mitti and lemon or curd, whatever I get, and this is the best thing on earth. इसके बिना every face pack is, I think, useless. I think it has its own magic. So I have now added, smell is amazing, multani mitti. Okay, here is everything जो मैं mix कर रही हूँ. इसमें मैंने मुल्तानी मिट्टी भी mix कर दी है. Okay, the next thing is this is honey, and for me honey is like yuck. I mean, I just hate honey. I can't drink honey, and if if I drink honey, I feel like vomiting, and but I apply on skin because sometimes you have to do for कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी करनी पड़ती है जो पसंद नहीं है, but if it has benefit then you have to go for it. I mean, so earlier I used to be like naak band karke I am putting on the face, but now I'm quite habitual to this one. And especially for winters, it is especially for winters, honey is it will make your skin very smooth, and जो भी creams और moisturizers आप expect करोगे कि कर दे वो honey naturally कर देगा. So also एक face pack है, it is you just mix oats and honey and a little bit of rose water or milk, and you put it, and it will make your face I hate honey. It will make your face very soft, literally very soft. Oh god, this is so funny. I'm recording this and okay, whatever. I don't know how people love honey. ओके सो मैंने मिक्स कर दिया है. मिक्स करने के बाद मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा है कि इसका अंदर हनी है. ओके तो अब मैं इसमें डालने वाली हूँ ऑफ कोर्स माय फेवरेट गुलाब जल. गुलाब जल इज़ द बेस्ट टोनर. आप नहा के इसको ज़रूर लगाएं, एंड इट्स वेरी गुड फॉर डेली ग्लो. आई मीन यू कैन पुट इट 3-4 times a day, एंड इसका अपना अलग ही कमाल है. ओके सो ये काफ़ी मिक्स हो गया है, एंड इसमें आप कर्ड डाल सकते हो. टुडे आई डोंट हैव कर्ड विथ मी, सो आई एम गोइंग टू use lemon juice. So anything lactic will do for it. So I'm going to put lemon juice, but if you have curd then put curd, don't put lemon juice. Curd is very good actually. So this coffee face pack is very good for winters. And you know what you can do? You can just put all this in a big bowl and week में एक बार, because mostly everyone is busy, and सर्दियों में in winters I think the skin is mostly dull. Yeah, सबकी skin जो है dull पड़ जाती है, and it's very necessary for dull skin to it's all in your hands that how much you take care of yourself. And I just feel that people who don't take care of themselves, I mean why not? I mean इतना टाइम हम घर साफ करने में एंड बाथरूम क्लीन, किचन क्लीन, सब कुछ क्लीन करने में लगा देते हैं. देन व्हाई नॉट 2 minutes और 5 minutes टू खुद के लिए, because it's actually what do we say, it's actually going to benefit you. So when you have the charge of taking care of everything, then why you should not take care of yourself? And so like this, it's like done. And so yeah, I was telling कि आप ऐसा एक बना के you can store it in a bowl and put in freeze, and what do we say, you can apply this whole week. Like if you're applying it full week, then it has amazing results, because consistency matters. And for the skin especially, अगर आप कोई भी चीज़ if you're doing it every day on a regular basis, then only it is going to benefit you. And if you are like okay ठीक है शादी में जाना है, आज किसी की आज लगा लिया फेस पैक और बस एक दिन में सोच रहे हो कि रिजल्ट्स आ जाए, तो ऐसा नहीं होता. तो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस। पहले मैं अपने बाल बांध लेती हूँ, नहीं तो हेयर मास्क भी लग जाएगा साथ में। सो यू कैन, हाँ, यू कैन स्टोर दिस इन फ्रीज एंड थोड़ा सा इसको गर्म कर लीजिए लगाने से पहले, जस्ट यू नो इट विल नॉट गेट यू कोल्ड। सो इफ यू विल जस्ट यू नो, or you can take a oven bowl or container, something that you can heat up in oven, so in 2 minutes it will be, you know, from that cold to that lukewarm or something. It will not catch you cold. So now I will just start applying, and my face is like so shit, I mean shit. It's okay, सबका ऐसे हो जाता होगा, है ना? I haven't applied anything other than lipstick because I had to record this video and I had to be more natural. जो भी सब मैंने इसमें डाला है उसकी अमेजिंग खुशबू आ रही है, एंड गुलाब जल डालने के बाद तो मुझे हनी की स्मेल भी नहीं आ रही है। कॉफी, मेरे नोज पे पिंपल हो रहा है। आई थिंक मैं पानी नहीं पी रही सही से। यूट्यूब पे जब आप वीडियो बनाते हो तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे आप खुद से बातें कर रहे हो एक्चुअली। So I'm also going to share many winter tips after this face pack, which is going to help you guys. And also I'm going to share the products, the creams that you can use for winters. If you don't want to make this face pack, then I think you can even use that MAC Caffeine ka, it is a ready-made coffee face pack. I've never used any ready-made face packs, but I understand. I mean, people who work and जिनके पास टाइम नहीं है, and sometimes हम लोग lazy भी तो हो जाते हैं, तब भी we can use that MAC Caffeine का coffee face pack. बट मेरे पास तो टाइम ही टाइम है, तो लगा सकती हूँ, बना भी सकती हूँ। आई थिंक प्रायोरिटीज की बात होती है। एंड क्योंकि मुझे इस चीज़ का बहुत शौक है तो मैं बहुत इंजॉय करती हूँ। When I used to be pregnant, I used to, you know, apply face packs and मस्त सा soothing music लगा के and those fragrance candles, and I used to relax and I used to enjoy it so much. I mean, yeah. Don't forget the neck because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा uneven हो जाता है जब आप फेस पे कुछ करते हो, और आपका फेस तो चमक जाता है बट योर नेक इज़, यू नो, टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फेस। सब पता चल जाता है। I'm making this video after so long that I was thinking कि पता नहीं मुझसे बनेगी कि भी नहीं बनेगी, but I'm making it, yeah. कहीं छूटा तो नहीं. Wow, I am coffee girl. Wow, ऐसा दिखता है कॉफी फेस पैक. खाना नहीं, इसको बस लगाना है. ओके, अब इसे सुखा लो. So you have to keep this for 15-20 minutes and मुंह धो के बताऊंगी आगे का. It's like I can't see my face. What? ओके गाइस, तो अब ये जो है सूख गया है काफ़ी हद तक. इट्स ड्राई नाउ. इट्स बीन 15-20 minutes and I think 10 only, but it's dry now. So I am going to wash this and I'll show you the results. बोलना नहीं चाह रहा है, मेरा फेस पैक हो गया पूरा. ओके, so I have washed my face and this is the result. Just slowly, you know, dry your face and so this is the result, guys, and I think it helps. Yeah, only if you use it, you know, regularly, it will help you in one day. You can't expect the change, so use it regularly and it really helps your skin. So yeah, so next step is of course the toner. So थोड़ा सा गुलाब जल, and let it dry. Okay, so I think this was a very nice face pack. Yeah, so I think this was a very nice face pack that you guys must have liked. So आपको इसके results कैसे लगे? Please write to me. And I mean, this is so fresh. Your face looks really fresh after this, and you know, yeah, it's kind of good and natural. So I really like this face pack. I like it. Okay, so इसके बाद you have to apply toner. So this is the cream that, you know, I am using for this winters. This is Lotus Herbals White Glow, a deep moisturizing cream, and this is normal to dry skin, so this is for winters. And in winters you should especially use creams rather than, you know, lotions, because it doesn't leaves your skin dry. तो आपको क्रीम्स की जगह लोशंस की जगह क्रीम यूज़ करने चाहिए. सो गुड. ओके, सो आई पर्सनली बिलीव कि आपकी स्किन ऐसी होनी चाहिए दैट यू शुड नॉट, यू नो, फाउंडेशन लगा के या मेकअप करके अच्छी लगे. इट्स ऑफ नो यूज़. यूजुअली आई जस्ट ट्राई कि मैं फेस पैक्स लगाऊँ या फिर natural cheesing, whatever you are eating, is also very beneficial. In winters, you should eat, omega-3 fatty acids. It will not leave your skin dry. So, of course, what you eat is, 70% of what will look on your skin. And then it is, of course, ये सब जो भी फेस पैक्स और ये जो भी क्लिनजर यू आर यूजिंग, इसके बिना तो you can't maintain your skin, because ये सब करने से it removes the dead cells from your skin layer and makes it nice and brightening. So I'll be sharing my favorite sunscreen to you guys. This is my favorite. This is Lakme Sun Expert matte finish, and it is, it's like a moisturizer and a cream and a sunscreen, so it's like a mix of everything. But it is, useful for winters, and but it is useful for summers and not so much for winters. But sunscreen is needed all the time, so you should, ये जो हो रहा है ना, ये ब्लैक ये नहीं हो रहा सनस्क्रीन लगाओगे तो. This is less anyways. And in winters, for people who live in areas where there is, snowfall and I think there is no sun, but what happens in winters, there is reflection of sun from the ground, जिसके वजह से it looks like grey, but it is sun and it will damage your skin. तो कुछ नहीं, बस एक एडिशनल क्रीम लगानी है तो लगा लो. डेली तो सबको ही याद नहीं रहता, बट एटलीस्ट इफ यू विल बाय एंड कीप इन हाउस, तो जब आपका मन होगा आप लगा सकते हो, राइट? एटलीस्ट बिफोर यू आर गोइंग आउट. Okay, fine. So this was my skincare, what we say, winter face pack, and yeah. So this was my winter skincare face pack, and it's a homemade, and for every season the face packs are different, so you should differentiate between for what season you should pick what. Like for winters you should be picking more of aloe vera and honey and then coffee, and for summers you can pick up like pulps for like tomato pulp or orange pulp or whatever, fruit pulps. So pick the right thing for your skin, and you will see the difference in your skin. So of course don't forget to drink lots of liquids, like just keep your skin hydrated. Drink lots of water, minimum 8 glasses of water in a day, especially in winters, because our skin is very dry in winters and we need that water for for the hydration. आपकी स्किन बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्राई पड़ जाती है, बहुत ड्राइनेस हो जाती है, बहुत रफ हो जाती है. तो अगर आप मिनिमम 8 ग्लास वाटर पीते हैं एक दिन में, तो आपकी स्किन जो है सॉफ्ट बनी रहे. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो, प्लीज़ लाइक माई video, please share it with your family and friends. It's a very helpful advices and tips that I have given in this video. And please write me suggestions, share my video, subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. And thanks for watching my video, and thanks for sparing your time. Okay, lockdown is still there and corona is still there, but it's okay. Everyone is going through the same things, and just be patient and come forward for each other's support. Call your friends, do something in house that can change your mind. Call your relatives and feel good. Don't be into any sort of self isolation that can slowly you will not understand, but slowly can affect your mental health. So keep in contact with people and feel good about everything. Yeah, because everyone is tired of the situation, and we all should, be helpful and supportive for each other. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like, share, and take care.